What is up, guys? My name is Jason, one half of the Super Casapros, and today I'm unboxing PokeCrate. Alright, so this is obviously October, so the theme is Halloween. So let's just get right into it. Alright. Okay, the first thing I see is, I think, a sticker or a decal of some sort with Haunter holding, looks like voodoo dolls of Misty and Brock. It's interesting. Definitely fits the Halloween theme. Then we get a magnet of Gengar holding a pumpkin. I'm a fan of Gengar, so both of these items are pretty cool. Not like I'll use them, but next up is a rather large set of keychains. They're all Pikachu except for one is Mismigius, or however you pronounce that, but it's Pikachu in many costumes. Yeah, some keychains. Then we have a sticker of the same Gengar with the pumpkin. Next up is, I've seen this many times. It's similar to Lego, but it's iBlock Fun. L-O-Z Laws, I guess. Diamond Block. It's the only laws I know is Legend of Zelda. I don't think that's what that means though. It's a Gengar. You build a Gengar, so that's pretty cool. Let's see what it looks like inside the box. It's not put together, so that'll be cool. And then last, we have a pack of Fates Collide. And as always, I'm gonna open it up right here. Every single pack I've gotten from PokeCrate has gotten me nothing. No good cards, so first off is a Shinchino, Shauna, Servine, Meowth, Fennekin, Gothita, Spoink, Solosis, Reverse Hollow Fennekin, and then the rare of the pack is a Hollow White Kyurem. So, not a terrible box this month, but I really think every box should come with a t-shirt, because they make you pay extra. If you're like me and a little bigger and you need a 3X, they make you pay extra every month for a t-shirt. So if they're going to make you pay extra, they should send a t-shirt. But other than that, I like the box. I really like the Gengar Lego set. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.